Today I would like to introduce my sisters to a model. Shorts. Seamless sleeves. We will sew elastic trousers. Well, now, we'll design this model together. The first step will be design for the front pants. I'm going to wear it on the side, so me. Take a length, it's just across the thigh. You have to prepare the measurements. Waist and round butt and strip pants. Now I'm going to start. Go into the design section for the pants. I'll take the length of the pants. Here I take it to be 45. Depending on the height of each sister that we change. Let it fit. Then we cross a line. And you're going to get the bottom of the ass. Divide by 4 sisters plus 5. My ass here is 80. When we divide by 4 plus 5, we're 25. From top to bottom is 25. So this is the 25. You build a perpendicular line. And then I'm going to take the hip. Divide by 4 sisters plus 3. 80 divided by 4 plus 3 is equal to 23. If you take it from the outside, it's 23. Then back to 3 inches. And from here, we're going to build a perpendicular line. Well, we'll draw the part. First, I made a straight line. I will come down from here. If you have gas, you will get your share. Pants for body first. Before that, when you were wearing it. I'm going to reduce this by 1.5 inches. Me. Connected by 1.5 hectares. Go through and this road, you guys. Make it a road. Right angle here. Then we'll get the body first. And I cut the body first. When you cut the body, before that, I had a back panel. There are 2 gasoline. Well, you're going to break the elastic back. I can cut it too. There is no seam in this style. You have to leave the seams for us. Then you'll break the corner. If I have an elastic band, I will bend this road. Then here's the elastic band. I'm going to bend the corners like this. Then I cut. After I broke the body first, then you'll put the front body on. Then I'll continue to paint the body. Next time, in this position, you will come out. I took back the road. Right here in this position. I'll take it as an ass. divided by 4 is 80 divided by 4 is 20. 20 I'll take over 20. Then I'll make my ass divided by 10. And I'll take it over here. 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. Then, from the bottom line of the previous body, then you'll put a mark on the back. And right here in this position, I'll go up 2 inches. And you back up to 3 millimeters of gas. From 2 inches back to 3 millimeters of gasoline. So we've got a signature on this point. Then I will connect this 3 centimeter gas point about where the bottom of the front body is. I'll cross the road to get a sign later. I broke the bottom of my pants. Next, you're going to get this part. Then you take your ass and divide it by 4 and 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1 is 2 and 1. I found 2 that are here. Then this position, you take this corner out to gasoline. From the back. About this second part of gasoline. And right here you're out 2 millimeters of gas. I will connect. From the bottom of. I just got out here and connected. And then you take out this scraper. And we're going to bend the crotch of the back body. Then you will resume. To reconnect my back, I'm going to make this a perpendicular line. I got the back pants. These are trousers, ladies. So I took the big part of the waist and the big part of the hip. Here we get a hole apart. Elastic trousers like this. In that case, you want to make a pair of pants. You just need to stretch the length. It was here when I used to bend my back. Not even the body behind me. If you are the same as the previous body, then we'll also break twice as fast. Or once. It depends on the amount of fabric you have. More or less, this is a model. I just finished the front and back pants. According to a sample. Now I will continue to do it. For the shirt. This dress, as you can see, will be my model. Boat. And it's also short on the side. The length of the shirt, I'll take 55 here. Now I'm making a perpendicular line through. Then you're going to shoulder. By shoulder. Divided by 2 is equal to 3. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 16. Then it's down to 4. If you get it back, you will divide it by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I connected. Next, you're going to take your chest down and divide it by 4. Sisters plus boobs divided by 5. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 were 18. Let's start from the road up here. You took it down to 18. I built a perpendicular line across. Then you'll get it down here. 35. Stop perpendicular passing. This way, you will get it. Is equal. A boobs. Chess sister divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. And you remember the scale. This is the number I used. If you measured it, everyone would have this number. You can substitute this number into the formula you share, then we'll be able to draw it. Then you will divide the waist by 4. You add 2. 64 divided by
Plus
4 2 were 18. I took 18. Then we'll divide it by 4. U plus 1. 80 divided by 4 plus 1, we're going to take over 2. Here are 2. Well, ladies, let's make this line perpendicular. Reverse to gasoline. Split in 2. Split in 2 again. Then we'll draw the flap line first. Then with this model, what you see is his shoulder. From this shoulder you take out 5 more petrol. Up here you are 1. You guys are out this year. And then we build a perpendicular line in here. Then you'll bend. But it's the armpit part. It's in the armpit that I just did. We've got a new hand. And then this part, you back up to 4. So we can get the old part. Let's go down 8. And we get the collar. Or when I get the collar, you guys. From this body you are based. Here, let's draw the back. Up. 2 gasoline. You guys get this back. Just reduce this part. And your ass is 1. If you reduce this part to 1 armpit, you get a degree. And we'll get her from up here. We take over is 3 petrol altimeter. And we can get the body. Back of this shirt. Now I cut. The red line is the star's body. Then the red line. After that, we will get the body. The body behind it is different from the body before. The chest. 1 petrol, so I reduce this sugar 1 petrol. Then you get the back part here. This body will be the next one. Your body is a double cloth, so the sisters are alone. Have a body after. Now to the body first. You will go this way before. I cut this part and reduce it to the position. We'll get the body first. Previously, you were also responsible for one. It's because we make fabric. Double handbag. We've just finished painting. For the shirt and the pants of this outfit. I wish you all success. If anything is not clear, then you can comment below. I'll see and answer for you. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.